Hey y'all, Marie here and welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry that I have been gone for a few weeks, but I have been under the weather and I am still trying to get better, which is why my voice kind of sounds a little bit hoarse. Yeah, I've been like really sick, but I am getting better, so that is why I am here to bring you this eyeshadow look. See my voice? I sound like a person going through puberty right now. Like my voice keeps cracking. But anyway, yeah, so in this video, I'm basically just giving you how we created this eyeshadow look using the TooFaced Best Year Ever palette. And again, this is their eyeshadow look of the month from the planner thing that you get with the palette. So yeah, if you want to see hair, so if you want to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then please continue to watch. But first, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video, I can't talk, and give this video a big thumbs up because it is greatly appreciated. And while you are subscribing to my channel, just slide that mouse over to the right just a little bit so that way you can hit that notification bell and that way you never miss another upload from me. So now that we got all that out of the way, let's go ahead and hop into this video. Okay, so this is the look that we're going to go for right here. It's just like a dark green smoky eye. First, my palette is so dirty, so do not judge me. But so first we're going to highlight the brow bone using this shade right here called Marshmallow. Highlight that brow bone. Okay, so next we're going to take Spike Cider, which is my favorite crease color, and blend that into the crease. I have a favorite crease color, Don't Give a Fudge. We're going to take that and blend that into the crease, but just like a little bit lower, you know. And then we're going to take Trimmed and blend that all over the crease. But, so it doesn't, so of course it doesn't say, you know, cut the crease and da-da-da-da-da, whatever. But I am going to apply some more shadow. I'm going to apply some concealer on my eye and kind of cut the crease just a little bit so that way I can get that green to like a little bit more. I want it like there. I don't want it just, I want you know? I want it in your face. That's a pretty color. Alright, so for my underlash line, Lord. For my waterline, I'm going to take this color called Fast Lane from ColourPop. I'm going to take a black shade and a really small brush and go right take a smudger brush and just smudge that out. I'm blending that in with the green. Alright, I'm going to take my e.l.f. liner. So, for my top lashes, I am going to use my Maybelline x Shayla Colossal Mascara in Baddest Black. And then on the bottom, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. It's like my favorite liner for the bottom. So we're going to use the Eyelure Jasmine Brown JB. Okay, so this is a lash. This is the JB lash. Okay, let's go ahead and highlight and contour and apply a lip and be done. Well, that is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I do have another video that is going to be coming out this week. Since I was sick for 2 weeks, I'm giving you 2 videos this week. It's actually kind of similar to this look, but you'll see. You'll see. It's a really fun video, so make sure you have that notification bell turned on and that you are subscribed, so that way when I upload this fun video later on in the week, you won't miss it, because trust me, you won't like it. You are going to like it. So that is it, and I will see you guys in a couple of days in my next video. Bye!